Hello there, my name is Rob at Vos Motors. I'm taking this video especially for you of this 2017 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide Limited. The bike has 3,088 kilometers on it and price is $32,888 plus HST and licensing. Look at the color and the paint. Limited edition. Chrome forks, old cups. Of course it has an ABS. This is all matching color, as you see the interior as well. Here's the fob key. Of course it has a GPS, it's a touch screen. The ape hangers, all chrome, everything, all the wires are through the pipes. Does have a heated grips, that's the adjustment for it. The braided brake lines, the button to open the fuel tank. There are some other chromes here. The exhaust, look at the exhaust. This is a Screaming Eagle dual exhaust on it. I think the battery is low. That's why it isn't opens. So these are the new bags with a single handle to open them. The backrest for a passenger, super comfortable seat for backrest for the rider and a super comfortable seat for the passenger here. It's like brand new. This motorcycle is in brand new condition. 107 Milwaukee 8. If you have any questions regarding this motorcycle, all LED lights in the front, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212 and I'll be more than happy to assist you. These hill shifter, toe shifter, highway pads, clockworks, windshield. So there's everything done on the motorcycle and it's ready to go. My phone number again is 905-660-2901, extension 212. Thank you.